How to cancel Shopify app subscription. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop using Shopify app. First of all, open the web browser. Type in shopify.com and open your Shopify store. Tap on Login at the top right corner. Go to Settings of Shopify at the bottom left corner. Click on Apps and Sales Channels. Tap on DSR's AliExpress Dropshipping. Click on three dots on it. Open it and scroll down. Go back and click on Uninstall. Select the reason for uninstalling as excessive or unexpected cost, or you can just select any reason. You can also share your feedback privately with the app developer, then click on Uninstall in the end. You have successfully uninstalled DSR's AliExpress Dropshipping. You can cancel other Shopify app subscriptions by uninstalling them. That's how you can cancel Shopify app subscription. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.